While we look to the stars for our future, the most powerful technology for saving Earth is already here, hidden in the water. This isn't just pond scum, it's a planetary superhero that has been waiting for us to partner with it for billions of years. This is the story of how the smallest life forms are creating our biggest future. Before there were forests, before there were animals, there was algae. These were Earth's original solar panels, the invisible architects that took a toxic, carbon-heavy atmosphere and transformed it into the oxygen-rich world we inhabit today. They've been balancing the planet's chemistry for 3.5 billion years. Now, we are learning to listen to their ancient code. Think of algae as nature's original life support system. A new generation of youth is rediscovering this potential, moving away from an era of extraction and into an era of biological regeneration. We aren't just looking for solutions, we are partnering with the very organisms that created the air we breathe. Here is the math of hope. Algae can be up to 400 times more efficient at capturing carbon than the trees in a forest. It's a precision tool for a precision age. By integrating these tiny powerhouses into our infrastructure, we aren't just offsetting carbon, we are upgrading our biological climate accounting and treating carbon as the currency of life. Across the globe, young scientists are stepping into the lab to decode the digital DNA of these microscopic giants. They are using AI to manage complex biological ecosystems, closing the accounting gap between climate promises and physical reality. This isn't just science, it's an honest conversation with nature, backed by the physical growth of living biomass. From London to New York, youth-led startups like Notpla and Sway are replacing plastic with seaweed films that disappear as naturally as a fruit peel. We are seeing algae-based smoothies, sustainable fashion, and even biofertilizers that restore our soil. This is the carbon circle, where waste becomes a resource and our daily tools become a biological upgrade for the planet. Our buildings are becoming living skins. From the BIQ Algae House in Hamburg to the living curtains of Dublin, we are growing cities that function like ecosystems. Algae-based concrete and biobricks are turning our infrastructure into biological climate assets. We aren't just building for today, we are growing a future where every wall breathes and every street captures carbon. The potential of algae reaches even further, from the depths of our oceans to the vacuum of space. As a sustainable biofuel, it offers energy without destruction. And for future explorers, algae will be the essential life support system, providing oxygen and food in the most extreme environments. It is the bridge between our home planet and our future among the stars. The challenge now is the scale gap, moving from the test tube to the industrial network. But with youth at the helm, we are scaling hope at the speed of life. We are learning that nature already solved these complex problems billions of years ago. We just need to work with life to unlock its full potential. This biological revolution is a homecoming. The next generation isn't fighting against nature. They are flourishing alongside their oldest allies. We are finally listening to the original solar panels of Earth. The planet will be fine if we learn to work with life. Follow for daily science that inspires hope.